Hello, we are Team B. My name is Ashley Lohr. Our team consists of 3 members, Felipe, Chiyoung, and myself. Our capabilities consist of being very detailed in planning a project, which goes great with the methodology we have selected for this project. We believe that the waterfall methodology is the best option for this project due to the following reasons. The requirements to this project are well documented, clear, and fixed. The product definition is stable. Technology is understood and is not dynamic. There are no ambiguous requirements. There are many resources with the required expertise available to support the product. And the final reason is that the project is short. This is an example of the waterfall model. As I said before, this methodology goes hand in hand with our strong detailed planning skills, because within the waterfall model, once a phase is completed, you cannot retract. As you can see, there are 5 phases in this methodology, which we will explain in the following slides. The first phase of the waterfall model is the requirement analysis phase, a very important phase in the waterfall model. In a phase where Team B will put their capabilities to work. Team B will be creating requirement documents and preparing tools of analysis and design in this phase. To create requirement documents, Team B will collect all requirements of the system from our clients and users to be developed and document them in required specification documents. In preparing tools of analysis and design, Team B will compose feasibility tests to ensure that requirements are testable. Next, Chiyoung will be telling you about the second phase of the waterfall model.
We have a list of the tools of analyze and design that will select some to help us developing the system. An UML diagram provides a rough draft of what the system requires. A DFD diagram provides a more preliminary overview of the system. A use case determines the events that interact with which actors. A ELD shows the relationship between people, objects, places, concepts, or events within the system. As the process chart, for example, a flowchart goes through the step-by-step sequences that shows the relation between major parts. In the system design phase, we will use the requirements specification from the first phase to define the system architecture, and in this phase we will also map the stakeholders. In the implementation phase, we will construct the software and data storage and retrieval. As construct the software, we will create small parts of the program separately to be able to integrate in the next phase. As the data storage and retrieval, we will create our own database to storage the datasets, make use of the database to support the system, and back up the data frequently for the database that have been crashed accidentally. Lastly, Felipe will talk about the remaining phases about the waterfall model.
Now we'll be talking about the phase 4 of the testing and deployment phase. On this phase, we'll be talking about the test and bug phase, and here we will ensure that it has an exit criteria is met. It also will include a user manual and a deployment application in the respective environments, and we will deploy and install. Now the final phase is maintenance. In this one, we will include the last phase of the waterfall model. The Team B will clear issues of any issues that come up throughout the system. We will have a check error, which will endorse patches to fix possible issues that could occur for the client. We will also optimize capabilities, enhance product capabilities to provide new versions in case one becomes obsolete. Thank you for taking the time to listen to us today. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.